Hello everyone, now I am come again, and today I am going to discuss very interesting topic for class ninth. Then how to calculate electron, proton and neutron. Okay, so now I am going to discuss if you have any element, then how to calculate electron, proton or neutron. So the rules are for calculating electron, proton or neutron. Atomic number is always equal to number of proton and number of electron. If you want to calculate number of proton and number of neutron, then both are always equal to atomic number. As you know, every element have atomic number and atomic mass. So for calculating electron, proton or neutron, first you have to learn the atomic number and atomic mass. As you know, if we consider x is an element, so the atomic number always written in this side and atomic mass always written in this side. So every element in periodic table total 118 elements, and every element have atomic number and atomic mass. So first you have to learn the atomic number and atomic mass, then you can easily calculate electron, proton or neutron. You can check my playlist for atomic number and atomic mass. So the question is, atomic number of proton and number of electron always equal to atomic number. Okay, so if any element for example, if the atomic number is 12, any element, then 12 is also the number of proton and number of electron, because both are equal to atomic number. Now the question is how to calculate number of neutron. So number of neutron always equal to atomic mass minus number of proton. It means for this formula you can calculate number of neutron, yani ki atomic mass minus number of proton. Now applying, if the question is calculate electron, proton, neutron for carbon, potassium and magnesium. The symbol of carbon is C, the symbol of potassium is K, and the symbol of magnesium is Mg. Electron is represented as E negative, proton is P and neutron is N. These are the symbols of electron, proton and neutron. Now the first question is, first of all we have to calculate the electron, proton and neutron for carbon. So we write here carbon, the symbol of carbon, and the atomic number of carbon is 6 and the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Now how to calculate electron, proton and neutron? You can see here the atomic number of carbon is 6 and atomic number always equal to number of electron and proton. So number of electron is also 6, number of proton is also 6, because the atomic number is 6 in this case. Okay. Now the question is how to calculate neutron. For calculating neutron, the formula is atomic mass minus number of proton. So you can see here the atomic mass of carbon is 12. So we write here 12 minus number of proton. So number of proton is 6. So we write here 6. Now 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So number of neutron is also 6. It means electron, proton and neutron all are 6 for carbon. In this way, you can calculate the electron, proton or neutron for any element. Now I am going to discuss another example. Potassium. The symbol of potassium is K. Atomic number of potassium is 19 and the atomic mass is 39. Okay. So how to calculate electron, proton or neutron? Electron, proton and neutron. So in this case, in potassium case, the atomic number of potassium is 19. So number of electron 19 and number of proton is also 19, because both are always equal to atomic number. And in this case, the atomic number of potassium is 19. That's why the electron and proton is also 19. Now the question, how to calculate neutron. So for calculating neutron, the formula is atomic mass minus atomic number. So the atomic mass is 39, so we write here 39 minus number of proton. Number of proton is 19, so 39 minus 19 equals to 20. So number of neutron is 20. Okay, it is very simple, right? Now I am taking another example. Magnesium. Okay, so first of all, write down the symbol of magnesium, Mg. Mg is the symbol of magnesium, and atomic number of magnesium is 12 and atomic mass of magnesium is 24. Now electron, proton and neutron. So in this case, the electron and proton both are 12 because atomic number of magnesium is 12 and atomic number of electron and proton always equal to atomic number. That's why in this case, magnesium के case में electron and proton is always equal to 12 because the atomic number is always 12. Now the number of neutron. So number of neutron, atomic mass, and in this case the atomic mass is 24 minus 12 because the number of proton is 12. So we write here 12. So 24 minus 12 equals to 12. So number of neutron is also 12. In this way you can calculate the electron, proton and neutron for every element. If you like the video, so like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you understand the topic, so you can comment on comment section electron, proton or neutron for oxygen and electron, proton or neutron for chlorine. Okay, thanks for watching.